Bars. Free. Yeah, everything free. Thumbs up are free. You hear me? Subscribing is free. You hear me? Bars. Which, everything free on there. And, hey, put it like this. Everybody on live, everybody got an EBT card. All they gotta do is just hit the thumbs up. That's free. Yeah, subscribing free. So I don't know why they be on that bitch that tripping. You hear me? All that shit free. You hear me? Yeah, like they gotta charge. Man, that shit is free. You hear me? Bars. I don't know why people be trying to hustle a motherfucker every day now. You hear me? They be trying to hustle like a motherfucker on this bitch. Say, man, say. Do you hear me? They be hustling like motherfucker. Shit. Man, say I make your money right. You send me $50. What the fuck? But now, y'all, stop playing, man. Everybody pop in, pop out, rock out, man. We the best. Bars. Yeah, man, you hear me? Man, say, it's always be like that when shit free. Motherfucker always try to charge a motherfucker and shit. You hear me? Bars, y'all don't pick that shit out. Yeah, man. Every time when it's something free, motherfucker turn around and try to start charging. Stop playing, man. It's all about showing love. You so y'all want to come to a real channel, man? Come to my channel. Bars. I'm on Pop Out Rock Out on live. I'm on Dallas, Texas live. Y'all want to come to my channel, man? Come to my channel, man. We showing love. Oh, wow. Bars. I can't mess with it. Bars. I can't go 3 times. I can't go live like 3 times, right now. I can, what I'm talking about. I can. I can, you did. Go with the best, you hear me? Yeah, I got a Pop Out Rock Out. Dallas. Oh, there we go. Bars. Let's go. You already know, y'all. Man, we got our brothers in the building. Let's go, man. We got Alaskans in the building, y'all. No cap. Everybody, hey, y'all
Bam.
need to go to Dallas, Texas. Bars. What's up with it, man?
What you up to, man?
Just got out chilling.
Nice. About to head to the airport before too long and catching a plane to Arizona.
Oh,
My
all
daughter
right, then.
my daughter graduates Saturday from Arizona State.
That's about right. It's a lot of graduation going on right about now. No cap. So yeah, that's about right.
Oh
My
yeah. What's
kinfolk
up,
just
Tori?
graduated. This morning I went to my kids. They little anniversary how they do it ceremony. So they
Right,
did it
right.
like that for the yeah. So yeah, it's a lot of that going on right about now. So yes, sir.
Nice. Yeah, this morning was crazy. I mean, so I was doing the live and was doing the calling and all that stuff, and then I kept hearing like something I thought behind me over here, and I'm talking, I'm keeping up with the chat. Next thing I know, I turn and look, and here comes this mom bear with her 2 cubs. And as soon as I saw that, it's like I don't want her to get any closer because she's
I don't
gonna
want to shoot her.
she's gonna try to attack me because of her babies, and I'm
She
gonna
with
have
her
to shoot her
babies.
and all that. So first thing I
Yeah.
did is I got the live going. I jumped up and I started like whoa 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 whistling and waving and making noise. And dude, she was about 35, 40 yards. She stopped and looked at me for about 10 seconds, like doing her chomp, like they chomp their teeth. And I was like, she was trying to decide, is she gonna charge or is she gonna run? And I was like, please, man. And she ended up running. But man, you talk about all that happened
Ooh.
during the live. And I was like, then I went to grab the phone to go try and show them where it's at. And I'm like trying to hold the phone like this and stuff, and
Yeah, man. Say you already know, man. Say they are fast. People don't
I was
understand
like,
them. Man, them babies are fast,
oh
and you
yeah,
gotta get
man.
you gotta get through that skin and even try to hurt a damn burrow. So shit, say,
Right.
ooh, that's a full blown torpedo coming.
People don't realize. So she was 40 yards away. She could have been on top of me in seconds,
I know they fast, man. I say last time I seen them, man. Say them birds don't play. Shoot,
No.
them big old butts be moving.
Yeah.